Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you how to copy the content or text from any image online, then paste it to your Microsoft, Google, or any document you want. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me, I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. So this is something I used to do when I was still a virtual assistant. So be sure to watch till the end of the video because I will show you how to earn from this and how much you can earn from this as well. So let's go to Google real quick. So the scenario is I want to copy a cover letter. So let's say, for example, I'm applying for a job. I want to copy a cover letter. Okay? So let's go to Google. I'm looking for a sample of a cover letter because I don't want to come up with I don't want to think or come up with the content anymore. I just want to copy it. Okay? So let's say I'm applying for a job. Just click on job like I'm doing right now. So let's say I chose this one. So what I want to do, so let's say I'm good with the content of this. What I want to do is save this. So for this one, I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Just as so. From here, I want to go to newocr.com. So this is the website. Again, it's newocr.com. I'll just put this on the description of this video so you can easily access it. Now what you want to do, so this website, by the way, so it converts the text from any image online into a text document. So I just go to choose file, choose the document that I want to copy, because the thing with this one, by the way, okay, let me just open this real quick, because the thing with this document, you cannot just copy the content and then paste it to a Google document or Microsoft or to a Word document. You cannot. You don't want to do it manually, of course. You can, but of course, why do it that way when there's a faster way of doing it? Because the manual way you do it is you'd look into this document and then type it in Microsoft Word. But then again, there's a faster way of doing it, which is this. So let's do this real quick. So I've chosen the file already. What you want to do is just go to preview. No need to click on start now or this one because it will download stuff for you. No need for that. You just go straight to preview. From here, just go, so this is the preview of the document. Just click on OCR. Okay, now once you've clicked on OCR, just go to the bottom. Here's the document. From here, you can highlight it already. You can copy it like that, but I won't paste it anymore to the to any document. All right. But then again, from here you can just do copy and paste. So that's the objective for this for this trick. All right. So again, let's do this one more time. So let's say I want to copy a document from an image online. So I'm looking for a cover letter sample. I'm applying for a job. Click on that, and then choose the one you want to copy. Save this one. What I want to do, save image as, I have already did. Then just go to new OCR.com. Choose the file that you want to copy. Open. Click on preview. After clicking on preview, just go straight to OCR and click on the button. Once you've clicked on that, go straight to the bottom. From here, you can copy the content, all right, and then paste it to Microsoft Word, Excel, or Google document, whichever you prefer, and you're good to go. So much easier. You can, with this technique, you can copy and paste and come up with any content in less than 5 minutes. All you have to do from here is do some editing and personalize it to your preference. Now, how can you earn from this? Okay, you can earn from this. This is what you're copying here is a content. Okay, you're copying a content. You can choose. You can come up with whatever document that you need. Let's say, for example, email marketing. All right. So just the same. You can copy these documents, the content of these documents, go through here, just the same way that we did, that I just did rather, then copy and paste the content. Alright? And from there you can just do some editing. So we're talking about earning as a copywriter. So this is very good for copywriters. No need to make it hard for yourselves. Alright? Now, as a copywriter, how much can you earn? Alright? Now let's go to Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing website. This is a good website for reference on how much you would, the fair rate you would charge your clients and the terms you would give to them. So let's say, for example, with this one, content writer. From here, you can determine, again, the fair rates you charge your clients. And once you even click on this, let's say, okay, for example, this one, or this one. See? Because content writing, the charge is on the words, depending on how many words the content will have, okay? So from here, the terms are here on how much you would charge. It all depends to your own preference. So yes, you can charge up to $100 depending on how many words. So this is 500 words. This person would charge $100. And look at this one. You can never tell that nobody will take advantage of the offer you're giving as a freelancer, because look at this, $100 for 500 words. All right, 3 days delivery, 2 revisions. With those terms, this freelancer, look at the review, 309 reviews. She's on top. She's got a 5.0. She's on level 2. It means that a lot of clients likes the service she provides. Another good technique for this one, or another tip and trick, would be to offer the service on Facebook pages. So for this one, just to share, I'm coming up with a course, a freelancing course, wherein you will be able to start as a freelancer. It contains the exact way that I did to earn as a freelancer. More details coming up on the next video, so be sure to check on that and watch out for it. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when a new video comes up. Alright, so again, the website is newocr.com. I'll just put this on the description of this video so you can easily access it. And for the rates on how much you would charge your client as a content writer, you can just go to fiverr.com. I'll also the link will also be on the description of this video. If you liked or learned anything from this video, please like and share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and let's grow this channel together. Don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and if you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Be sure to check the bonuses on the description of this video. And just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!